Hi guys, today I'm going to make a logo in a round shape. So first of all, open it up Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to view, click on rulers and then show rulers. Now click and drag to bring horizontal and vertical rulers inside of your artboard. Lock this layer and go to new layer. Now go to Ellipse Tool. Press and hold Alt and Shift key together. Click and drag to make a circle. Add stroke color in it. Now go to Pen tool. Press and hold Shift key. Click and drag to make a vertical straight line. Now go to Selection tool. Select the line. Press and hold Alt key. Click and drag to make a copy of it and place it right opposite of the circle. Now select both lines and double click on the blend tool and select here specified steps and make it 8 and click on OK. Now click on both lines one by one. Now select all lines, go to rotate tool, press and hold Alt key and click right at the center of circle. Set the angle 90 degree and click on copy. Now go to selection tool, select the circle. Press and hold Control, press C and then press F. It's gonna make a copy and then place it front. Now click and drag to make it small. Now select everything. Go to Object. Click on Expand. Click on OK. Right click and then ungroup from here. Now go to Shape Builder tool. Change fill color. Add fill color. Now simply click and drag to make a shape of alphabet J and D. Now unselect everything by simply clicking anywhere in the artboard. Now go to selection tool, press and hold shift key and click on J and then click on D. Both the object will be selected. Now press and hold shift key, then click on both the alphabet J and D, then click and drag out from the grid. Now go to selection tool, select the whole grid and simply delete it. Now go to selection tool, select the alphabet J and D. Press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag in to make it smaller proportionally. Now go to Ellipse tool, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make a circle. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag, make a copy of it. Now press and hold Control and press D to make multiple copy of it. Now select everything, go to Shape Builder tool, press and hold Alt key, click and drag to remove this extra part. Now go to selection tool and select everything. Click on gradients. Now click on reverse gradients. Now double click on the gradient slider. Now choose the color from swatches. Now double click on the right hand side of the gradient slider and choose the color from here as well. Now adjust the gradient slider. Now go to selection tool and select the upper part of the circle. Go to gradient tool, click and drag to adjust the gradient slider. Now adjust the second part of the circle and go to gradient tool, click and drag to adjust the gradient color and continue this process. Now go to selection tool, select the whole shape, go to object, path, and then offset path, and set an offset of 10 points from here. Click on OK. Add fill color. Click on OK. Now select everything. And click on trim from Pathfinder. Go to shape builder tool, press and hold alt key, click hold and drag to remove this extra parts. Now select the alphabet J and D, click and drag and adjust it right center of the circle by using smart guide. Now right click, go to arrange and bring to front. Now select the both alphabet by pressing shift key. Press and hold alt and shift key together, click and drag to make them bigger proportionally. Now select the alphabet J and D by pressing and hold shift key. Go to object, path and offset path. Here I am going to make an offset of 8 points. Click on OK. And change the offset color. Now go to selection tool and select the whole shape. Go to Pathfinder and click on trim. Now select everything. Go to shape builder tool. Press and hold alt key. Click hold and drag to remove this offset area. Now unlock the layer 1 and delete the rulers. Go to selection tool, select the whole shape, press and hold alt and shift key together, click and drag to make it smaller proportionally. Go to type tool and write here your logo title. Now select your logo title. Go to character panel by press and hold Ctrl key and press T. Right click and then show option. Increase the font size. Choose the appropriate font style. Now select the text and place it right at the center of your logo design. Select the text again. Press and hold alt key, click and drag little bit at the right side. Now change the fill color. Now select the whole logo design, press and hold alt and shift key together, click and drag to make it smaller proportionally. Press and hold alt key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Now select the other one, press and hold alt and shift key together, click and drag to make it bigger proportionally. Now your logo design is ready. Thank you very much.